Hello students, today we are going to learn a very short and simple poem, The Squirrel. This is the first poem of Honeycomb Class 7 NCERT textbook. Have you seen unique shapes of animals? Like the neck of the giraffe, which looks like a ruler, or the nose of the elephant, which is curly. Today we are going to study a very short poem, The Squirrel, which is composed by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. In this poem, the poet describes a squirrel. Let us recite the poem. He wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. So I told you it's very small and simple. Now, let us understand the poem. He wore a question mark for tail and overcoat of grey. Do you really think that the poet is telling that the squirrel is wearing a question mark in his tail? No, not exactly. But the way the shape of the tail looks like a question mark, the writer is saying that the poet is wearing it. Now let us come to the next point, that he is wearing an overcoat of grey. See, the fur's color of squirrel is in grey color, and it is so furry that the writer says that he wears an overcoat of grey. Now, normally the squirrel runs on four legs, but here we can see in the picture, to eat a nut or a fruit, he sits up straight to eat a nut. Then, whenever the writer went to catch the squirrel around his tree, always the squirrel ran the other way. So basically, the squirrel and the poet both try to tease and play with each other. So we have understood the poem. Now let's understand the rhyming words. Can you guess which are the rhyming words? Yes, grey matches with play, and then it rhymes with way. These three words rhyme with each other. Now, so can you guess what could be the rhyming scheme of the poem? So the rhyming scheme of the poem will be A, B, C, B, D, and B. So today we have learned the rhyming scheme as well, and the rhyming words we have found out. Now, for homework, I would love to give you a very interesting homework. The way the poet has composed a poem of 6 lines describing an animal which he loved. Can you frame a poem of 6 lines describing anything which you like? So, go ahead, make a poem and recite the poem and make a video of it, and you may send it to Principal Sir's WhatsApp number so that we can share it with the other teachers and the school. Thank you, students.